Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, P&M brakes. This is your 4-pot rear on this beautiful Dyna. Stunning bike, S&S motor. We're just doing a bit of tuning on it on the ECU. It's got a twin-tech ECU, but basically back to the brakes. Once you've increased the performance as much as this, you really need a better brake, guys. You know, standard brake, great on a stock motor, 90 on a good day horsepower. These things like 130 horsepower. You know, S&S super duper power. Okay, massive torque. So basically what you want to do, upgrade your brakes. Okay, put your braided lines on, get rid of stupid standard bloody rubber things. Okay, and as you can see, this one here, this is a 4-pot. Okay, you can get a 6, but on the back, bit of a waste of time. This comes complete with a bracket, whatever bike it is. This is what you call a 2-ear caliper. Okay, so basically it mounts on with the bracket to these two bolts. You can take the caliper off, change your pads. Now on the Harley brakes, nightmare. Take the whole pissing thing out. You got to take the wheel spindle out, slide this off, and the whole thing's a nightmare, especially if you've got nice wheels. Very easy to damage your wheels, scratch them up, especially if they're chrome or nicely painted. But this particular setup, P&M, ultimate in braking. If you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.eu or customcruisers.com. Now you can also see here other upgrades. We've got 430 shocks, like I say, big progressive S&S motor. Okay, and we've got a 6-pot on the front. So if you really want to do your bike up, make it go and stop, that's about as much as you can do. Okay, but this particular unit got the twin-tech EFI as well, so you got a fully tunable Wago twin-tech tuner. This is all built in, replaces the original ECU here. Okay, and all tunable with a laptop if you really want to do that, but they do auto tune. So if you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666. And here's your 6-pot, by the way, www.customcruisers.com. Painting arranged as well, or custom seats, whatever you like, you name it, we can do it. Okay, so if you want your bike giving us a real good revamp over the winter, fat back tyre, whatever, 240, 250, do up to 360, but not recommended for the roads around here. Or an exhaust upgrade, air filter upgrade, ECU upgrade, engine upgrade, 6-pot. You know, we can make your bike into a 6-speed if it's a 5. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.